Hair thinning after the age of 30 is far more common than most people realize. It rarely happens overnight. Instead, it shows up gradually, maybe as extra strands coming out in the shower, widening parts, or a slow reduction in hair volume that becomes noticeable under certain lighting. The causes are complex. Hormonal shifts, chronic stress, nutritional deficiencies, inflammation, genetics, and even everyday environmental pollutants. But here's the encouraging part. Nature offers powerful botanical allies that modern research is finally starting to validate. Several herbs traditionally used for centuries are now supported by clinical studies demonstrating their ability to promote thicker, stronger, fuller hair, especially for adults in their 30s, 40s, and beyond. Before we begin, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Herbal Flavors. We bring you natural, science-backed remedies to support your health, beauty, and overall well-being. And don't forget to check the link in the description for our ebook, Herbal Flavors. Lose weight the healthy way, filled with herbal recipes, fat-burning teas, and wellness blends to help you live healthier every day. 1. Saw palmetto, the DHT blocker. Saw palmetto is one of the best-studied natural treatments for age-related hair thinning. After age 30, our bodies may become more sensitive to dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a hormone that miniaturizes hair follicles, making strands thinner and weaker over time. Saw palmetto works by inhibiting the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, the same pathway targeted by some prescription hair loss medications. By naturally reducing the conversion of testosterone into DHT, saw palmetto helps protect follicles from shrinking. Scientific studies have shown it can increase hair density and hair count. It may reduce excessive shedding within 2 to 3 months of consistent use. Topical saw palmetto combined with other herbs can improve scalp thickness and follicle activity. If you're over 30 and noticing progressive thinning, this herb provides one of the strongest natural lines of defense. 2. Rosemary, the circulation booster. Rosemary has become a viral favorite, but behind the trend lies real science. Research comparing rosemary oil to 2% minoxidil showed very similar results in supporting hair growth over a 6-month period. Rosemary works by increasing microcirculation to the scalp, improving oxygen and nutrient delivery, providing strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory protection, helping regulate excess sebum, which can suffocate follicles. Oxidative stress is a major hidden cause of thinning after 30, and rosemary's anti-inflammatory compounds, carnosol, rosmaric acid, carnosic acid, help protect follicles from cellular damage. Regular use of rosemary tonics, oil treatments, or herbal rinses nourishes follicles deeply and encourages steady, healthy regrowth. 3. Fo Ti, He Shou Wu, the hair cycle revitalizer. Fo Ti, or He Shou Wu, is a legendary herb in traditional Chinese medicine, long associated with vitality, longevity, and strong hair. Modern research reveals several mechanisms behind its effects. It helps extend the anagen phase, the active growth phase of the hair cycle. It increases the number of follicles actively producing hair. It enhances blood circulation and boosts mitochondrial energy, crucial for follicle activity. It supports liver and kidney function, organs believed to influence hair in TCM. Fo Ti is particularly helpful for thinning linked to chronic stress, fatigue, hormonal imbalance, premature aging. Because it works internally, results tend to build gradually, but consistently. 4. Horsetail, the silica-rich strengthener. Horsetail is one of the richest natural sources of silica, a mineral essential for structural integrity in both hair and skin. As we age, silica levels decline, leading to weaker, breakage-prone strands. Horsetail helps strengthen hair shafts from within, improve elasticity, reducing breakage, support collagen production, add visible shine and fullness, protect follicles with its antioxidant compounds. Several studies suggest that silica supplementation can significantly improve hair tensile strength, meaning hair becomes harder to snap, fray, or thin out. Horsetail doesn't directly influence DHT, but it enhances overall hair resilience, making it a perfect complement to herbs that target hormonal pathways. 5. Nettle root, the nutrient-dense hormonal balancer. Nettle root is another herb supported by research for its role in regulating DHT. It contains compounds that naturally inhibit 5-alpha reductase and reduce inflammation in the follicle environment. But what truly sets nettle apart is its nutrient profile. Iron for oxygen delivery to follicles. Vitamins A, C, and K for tissue repair. Magnesium for stress regulation. Silica for strand strength. Essential amino acids for keratin production. Many adults over 30 unknowingly experience subclinical nutrient deficiencies, which weaken hair gradually. Nettle root helps fill these gaps while supporting hormonal balance, a crucial factor for both men and women. 6. Ginkgo biloba, the microcirculation enhancer. Ginkgo biloba is well known for its effects on memory, but it also significantly increases peripheral circulation, helping deliver more oxygenated blood to all extremities, including the scalp. This is important because after age 30, capillary networks become less efficient, follicles receive fewer nutrients, oxidative stress increases, hair density naturally declines. Ginkgo biloba helps counter this by improving microvascular blood flow, enhancing nutrient delivery, supporting follicle metabolism, protecting follicles with powerful antioxidants. Used consistently, ginkgo helps maintain long-term scalp vitality and supports thicker, healthier hair. Bonus: pumpkin seed oil, a powerful, science-backed hair growth booster. Before we wrap up today's video, here's a special bonus for those of you who stayed with us until the end, and trust me, this one is worth it. Let's talk about pumpkin seed oil, one of the most promising natural remedies for hair growth in the United States right now. This oil has gained massive attention because several studies suggest it can significantly increase hair count, hair thickness, and overall scalp health. So, why is pumpkin seed oil so effective? First, it naturally helps block DHT, the hormone linked to hair thinning in both men and women. Unlike harsh chemical treatments, pumpkin seed oil does this gently, without damaging the scalp or causing irritation. It also contains zinc, antioxidants, vitamin E, and essential fatty acids, all of which nourish the follicles and promote a stronger growth cycle. Research has shown that participants taking pumpkin seed oil supplements experience noticeable improvements in hair density within just a few months. And many people also use it topically, massaging a small amount into the scalp a few times a week to improve circulation and strengthen the roots. If you want to include pumpkin seed oil in your routine, here's how you can try it. Take cold-pressed pumpkin seed oil capsules daily, as recommended on the label. Or apply a small amount directly to the scalp and leave it for a few hours before washing. Combine it with gentle scalp massages to enhance absorption and stimulate blood flow. It's simple, natural, and backed by emerging scientific research, exactly the kind of remedy we love to share here. And before we continue, if you enjoy videos like this and want practical guides for everyday health, don't forget to check out our complete ebook. It's a perfect companion for boosting your well-being, especially now that the colder months are approaching. You'll find the link right below this video. If you haven't done so yet, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notifications so you never miss our daily tips for natural health. Now, before we move forward, let's remember the purpose of our channel. Here at Herbal Flavors, our mission is to bring together ancient herbal wisdom and modern scientific research to help you take better care of your health in a natural and accessible way. We believe in empowerment through knowledge, choosing remedies that support long-term well-being, and building daily habits grounded in the healing power of plants. Every remedy we share is meant to help you live a more balanced, energized, and naturally healthy life. Consistency. the key to visible results. Here's something we must keep in mind. All these herbs work best with consistency. Nature operates gradually, strengthening the body day by day. When combined with a balanced diet, good sleep, stress management, and gentle scalp care, these remedies can create remarkable improvements. With regular use, you may begin noticing thicker, fuller strands, improved hair density, less shedding, stronger roots, healthier scalp function, a more resilient hair growth cycle. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to like this video. It truly supports our channel and helps us reach more people looking for natural, science-based remedies. Let's recap our powerful herbal allies. Saw palmetto reduces DHT. Rosemary boosts circulation and protects follicles. Faux tea revitalizes the hair cycle from within. Horsetail strengthens strands with silica. Nettle root nourishes and balances hormones. Ginkgo biloba enhances microcirculation for long-term follicle health. Together, they create a comprehensive natural strategy for reversing hair thinning after 30, supporting stronger, thicker, healthier hair. Thank you for watching Herbal Flavors. Stay healthy, stay curious, and stay connected to the healing power of nature.